everyone. This is Stacey, Youth Services Librarian, and I am talking to you teens. Are you looking for a way to make a real difference in your community? If you are, then I would suggest you join the Teen Advisory Board here at the Goffstown Public Library. This is a chance for your ideas to come to life, and as a member, you will help shape library programs, plan exciting events, and ultimately let me know how you want the teen library to serve you and the community. So it's a really, really important to have your voice, and I would love for you to come join. You're probably wondering, well, what is the commitment that I have to make? Well, we meet just once a month. One time, that's totally manageable, right? Mark your calendars. It's always the third Wednesday of every month from 6 to 7 p.m. year-round. So once a month, that's all it is, 1 hour, once a month, year-round. You can fit that in, can't you? So are you ready to join? Because your opinion matters, and I would really love to see you here. Our next meeting is on October 15th at 6 p.m. We do have snacks, so registration is appreciated, but I'm also happy with you just stopping in and getting to meet me. Hope to see you.
Hi, I'm Jen Wyman. I'm Adult Services Librarian, and I want to highlight some kits that we have here on our windowsill. We have a bird watching kit if you want to get outside. We even have a pickleball kit if you want to see how you like the sport, try it out, bring it back, let someone else try it out, and then maybe you'll find something else you love. And then we also have a sensory kit and a memory kit. So you can practice your memory skills. And if you have someone who has special sensory needs, this would be a great kit to check out and use with them. So those are here on our windowsill in the south room on the second floor. And just take them downstairs, use your library card, and check them out.
Thanks for watching. Stay in the know. You can subscribe to the library's monthly email newsletters at goffstownlibrary.com/subscribe, and you can unsubscribe at any time.